Hello guys, thanks so much for clicking my video. In this captivating and easy to follow tutorial, I will show you all the easiest way to make beautiful woolen craft. This stunning masterpiece can add touch of beauty to your room or your project. No special skill or tool is needed, just two colors of wool, pearls and fog. As you have seen, I wrap the first color of wool around the fog for 30 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use it to secure both sides. Now, pull the woolen design out from the fog and attach second color of wool. At this point, use that to sew the upper side of the design to make visible combination. Sew in a small bead right there to add more beauty. Make the little pieces 5 and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more captivating tutorials. Sew in a medium-sized bead to make the woolen craft seamless and more beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I will surely see you all soon.